goggles are on.
Alright.
Okay, they're on.
Alright, let's go.
Oh!
Take it off. Okay, we're up.
Shit.
Did you see us?
Yeah, definitely. I saw that. I saw the goggles moving.
There's some people down there.
Wow! You nearly hit the tree.
Okay, I'm cut the power now.
I see me.
Fast and low fly over. Oh, that was a good one actually. Alright. I'm gonna give it in for a fly for these people right here.
Oh.
Whoa, did you see the football at all?
Yeah.
Did you see that football?
Yeah. Shit. That was pretty guys.
You hear them say football, like, that's just the center of the sun. Yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty good. It's a good thing you don't like get car sick or anything from doing this. Test subject for these.
Minute 20 seconds already.
Is it still screen recording?
Yep.
No way. So
This is 100. It says 130.
we're gonna do a nose dive for you.
Oh yes.
Alright then. I'll get up. I'll get some altitude. Okay, rates are on. Hit the nose dive.
That was the closest one yet.